Yes, good morning, students. Today topic is matrices, or it means matrix. Matrix is a singular form, and matrices is a plural form. Okay, next I'm go to definitions of matrix. Okay, first of all, what is mean by matrix? Matrix is a rectangular arrangement of number or function within a bracket is called matrix. Okay, once again, matrix is a rectangular arrangement of number of functions within a bracket is called matrix. Okay, matrix represented by capital A, capital B, capital C, up to so on, etc. Or we denote matrices by capital letters. Okay, or any English capital letters. Capital alphabetics. Okay, next. The following are some examples of matrices. How to represent in matrix, or how to create in matrix. Okay, see examples. Okay, first capital A. Capital A na define. I will do capital A define ಮಾಡಿ. So capital A ಅಂದ್ರೆ capital letters ಇಂದ define ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So capital A equal first of all capital A matrix 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is a matrix. Next capital B equal matrix. Capital B equal to matrix 1 2 3 is a matrix. Okay, another example for matrix. Within square bracket we are going to write. Okay, matrix. Next matrix capital C equal to 1 2 3 is a matrix. And capital D equal to matrix 4 7 5 8 6 9 is a matrix. And last one capital E equal to so capital E equal to sin x cos x x square. This is a matrix. Okay, I will repeat this once again. Okay, matrix is a, so first of all, okay, what is mean by matrix? Matrix is a rectangular arrangement of number or functions within a bracket is called matrix. Okay, matrix represented by A, B, C, etc. Okay, in these examples, number one, capital A equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6, and capital B equal to 1 2 3, and capital C equal to 1 2 3, and capital D equal to 4 7 5 8 6 9, and last one capital E equal to sin x cos x x square. So this is total process involving the matrix. So how to represent in matrix, how to create in matrix. Okay, are you understanding? So okay, I hope understand. Okay, next we have to discuss order of the matrix. Okay, first of all, we define the order of matrix. A matrix having m rows and n columns is called a matrix of order m by n. So once again, so what is mean by order of a matrix? First of all, so what is mean by order of matrix? So capital A, a matrix having m rows, and n columns is called a matrix of order m by n. So m by n, so read as m by n matrix, or m cross n matrix, or m into n matrix. So perfectly we read as m by n matrix. So have you followed? Okay, next I'm go to examples. Okay, let us consider example for matrix. So let us consider example for matrix in this matrix. So we want to discuss order of matrix. So I mean even matrix ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ರೋ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ರೋ and vertical line is called columns. Are you clear? Okay, in the same matrix this is called column 1. In the same matrix this is column 1, column 2, column 3 and row 1, row 2. Are you clear? Okay, in any matrix first horizontal line is called row 1 and second horizontal line is called row 2. Next, first vertical line is called column 1. Next, second vertical line is called column 2. Third vertical line is called column 3. So are you clear? It's very easy actually. So okay, once again I will repeat. So first horizontal line is called first row. Second horizontal line is called second row. Then first vertical line is called column 1. Second vertical line is called column 2 and last one, third vertical line is called column 3. So, okay, are you clear? Okay, then I want to discuss order of matrix. First we have to consider number of rows in the matrix. So how to create? Okay, so in any matrix in this matrix we have how many row are there? We have 2 rows, so row 1 and row 2. So next, how many columns are there? So we have 3 columns number 1, columns number 2, columns number 3. So any order of matrix is nothing but number of rows into number of columns. I mean m by n. So m is a rows and n is a columns. In this totally, so order of matrix capital A equal to 2 by 3. Okay, are you clear? Okay, next another example. Capital B equal to matrix 1 2 3. So what is order of matrix in this in? So how many rows are there? We have 3 rows, 1 2 3. And how many columns are there? So only one. So what is the order of matrix? 3 by 1. Okay, once again repeat. Capital B in this matrix, capital B equal to 1 2 3. So how many rows are there? We have 3 rows, 1 2 3. And how many columns are there? We have only 1 columns. So what is the order of matrix in this? 3 by 1. Okay, are you clear? Okay, next example, capital C. Capital C equal to matrix 2 4 5 2 4 3 5. So what is the order of matrix? So order of matrix in this 2 by 2. So how many rows? How many rows are there? We have two rows, 1 and 2. How many columns are there? We have two columns, 1 and 2. Are you clear? So totally what is order of 2 by 2? So next last one, capital D equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. So how many rows are there? We have three rows are there, 1 2 3. And how many columns are there? We have two columns, so 1 and 2. So totally what is the order of matrix? Order of matrix in this 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Okay, so are you clear? So ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. So next time go to next topic. Okay, next very important topic, general representation matrix. Okay, how to generalize the matrix? Capital A can be written as Aij m by n. What about Aij? So where Aij are the variables into whose matrix order is m by n. Okay, next, how to representations matrix? I mean, how to representation general element matrix. Okay, capital A equal to Aij. Capital A equal to Aij equal uh, first row, first element is called A11. First row, second element is called A12. First row, third element is called A13. First row, fourth element is called A14 up to so on. First row, nth element is called A1n. Okay, next. Second row, first element is called A21. Second row, second element is called A22. Second row, third element is called A23. Second row, fourth element is called A24 up to so on. Second row, nth element is called A2n. Okay, next one. Third row, first element is called A31. Third row, second element is called A32. Third row, third element is called A33. And third row, fourth element is called A34 up to so on. Third row, nth element is called A3n. Again up to so on. Mth row, first element is called AM1. Mth row, second element is called AM2. Mth row, third element is called AM3. And mth row, fourth element is called AM4 up to so on. Mth row, nth element is called JMN. So finally, the number of element in an m by n matrix will be equal to mn. The totally what is order of the matrix in this m by n. So next, so how many rows are there? M rows the matrix, and how many columns are there? N columns of the matrix. So where capital A equal to Aij m by n. So I lies between 1 to m. I lies between m to 1 to m, or 1 lesser than or equal to I lesser than or equal to m. So totally, so I lies between 1 to m, and j lies between 1 to n, or 1 lesser than or equal to j lesser than or equal to n is totally will be equal to m into n. So next class I'm go to problems. Bye students. Are you clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಬಾಯ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್.